Hello everyone. Welcome to the User of Bricks channel. So before I get into this video, I want to say I am really sorry for the lack of videos that have been coming out lately. If you didn't know, my last video was posted a little over a month ago now, and well, my goal was to have a video out once a week on every Monday, but that hasn't been happening. And the reason is I started my classes a little over a month ago, so I haven't had the time to do any recording, which is really sad. But that does not mean I have been idle. I have been doing some things. I have been getting ready with some other types of videos other than purely Mcreator tutorials. I have been doing a few things, such as actually creating a mod pack, of which one of the mods adds the trees in the biome you see me in. That would be the Biomes of Plenty mod. And you can see another one of the biomes back there. Anyway, I've also started recording a video about structures larger than 32 by 32 to be specific. So yeah, and so that is what I have kind of been doing. Both of those other videos, they just take a long time to record. Really long. It takes a lot of time to do those things, and that's just time I don't really have to put out videos with the same speed as I was during the summer. So, all that to be said, videos will be coming out a little shorter than usual. But never fear, I will try to get out videos as often as I can. So, yeah, let's get into the video. Today, we are going over something that was added in Mcreator 1.9.1, of which, of course, I am in right now. And that would be the block bases. There are currently, I believe, 3 versions of block bases currently. Mcreator does say that they will be adding more as we go. This video is just a showing of how to use them and stuff of that sort. So to use them, of course, you want to make a block. Let's name this one wall test, and we'll be testing out the wall first, of which I know that's one of them. There are also stairs and fences. So for these different base blocks, there, of course, as it says, some parameters are going to be disabled. Mainly that would be the different, the models, the transparency, and the block dimensions, as those have to change, as these all of those can change depending on what one you choose. Right now, all of it's always transparent, kind of. Of course, I now see that you can actually change the transparency. It's just the dimensions, and the other is just, it will have some type of transparency. The solid just means that the texture, you can't see through it, and stuff like that. So yeah, I will be doing solid as of right now. Of course, you can do other things along those same lines. So for texture-wise, the only texture you need to put in here for it to work is the bottom/main texture. I am going to be putting this texture right here on the wall, as I will for the other bits. And by the way, it should be the same thing for the others, but I will show you all three just in case. So we can hit the next, and pretty much all of these things you can change. I have not specifically gone through and tested each one to see if it actually changes or not. But as far as I am aware, all of this does stay the same. So I'm just going to quickly go through and change a few things just so that it sounds correct to me. Of course, you won't be able to hear it when we go in game, and I will show you these in game. So yeah. Next page, the particles. You of course can choose particles if you want. I'm not going to. I believe you can also choose this to be tile entity. That might be a little interesting though. So you'll have to fiddle around to see if that actually fully functions or not. Next page, I believe all of the procedures work. So yeah. You can also have them spawn, but as these are block bases, I don't believe you will want to do that. Yeah. So let's save that elements. Let's duplicate it. And let's call this the fence test. And I hit cancel. That is not a good thing to hit. It was fence test. And by the way, they have also added the factor of the naming will automatically change the actual name. So if you put a capital in the element, as when you're first naming the element, it will put a space right before that capital. So as you can see, I didn't change this really at all. This is the same one from the last one, but it would have put this in as fence space test. And yeah. So, and this, I am just wanting to keep it the same as the last one. Unfortunately, they don't have the actual viewing thing on the actual element itself to be what the bases will look like, but I'm sure that will be changed in the future. So let's quickly get the stairs. So that would be AIRS stairs test. Duplicate. Let's open that up. Remember to change it to stairs. Next page, I'm going to rename this stairs test, save changes, and that's actually it for the creation side. So let's quickly hit play and let's go in game. Okay, now that now that Minecraft has loaded up, let's go into my testing world. As you can see, I've been testing one thing, that's a custom crafting table. So let's clear my inventory. And also, one thing that I've noticed with the new version of Mcreator is that the resizing of this doesn't work. You don't really get it resized. It's resizing now, but it wasn't before for some weird reason. As you can see, some of the bar below the whatever this down here is called, I forget. Yeah, hotbar. That doesn't exactly work, but anyway, we are here to look at the 3 different blocks we created. So there's the wall test, the fence test, and the stairs test. As you can see, the models are all correct. They look just how you would imagine in your hand. So the wall, let's get this to daytime. So time, set, day. There we have daytime, and okay, so the wall, there is the actual post. There is the other side with a bit of wall in between, and as you can see, that all works perfectly as you would imagine it to. You can't jump over them, just like in vanilla. So yeah, and then the fence, it works as well. So that is nice and handy. So yeah. It is all working. The stairs should also work, so let's see that. We've got the normal stair. We should be able to get that stair as well as that stair, and they do reset just like normal vanilla Minecraft. Let's see if we can get the bottom sides. We've got that, as well as the inside version right there. We've got the in, the out, the side. It works on all the different directions, and it is all working. This is super exciting for the realm of Mcreator, because this means all of our mods can be all just that much better. I do hope that Mcreator will be adding some slabs to the mix of block bases, possibly doors as well, though the texturing on that would be different. But yeah, so this has been User Bricks. I hope you have enjoyed this little showcase of the block bases. I shall see you next time.